back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today we're here to go drifting. It was part of a birthday present for me. It was finding the right time to do it. I was meant to do it last Wednesday, the day before my birthday, because it was part of an early birthday present. It was just too windy, we had that storm coming in. So we're down here today at Pro Drift in Birmingham. It's taken around about 55 minutes to get here. I did leave a bit of an extra time because there was a lot of roadworks. As for drifting, I'm not sure how much I can film because I will be driving. It's a 3-hour drifting experience. I do have my GoPro here along with a selection of mounts as well, but we'll see what we can record, and yeah, so I brought you along for the journey, so So we've just finished and I've been given an award. I came in 3rd place, although what people were saying from the outside of the car was that I did very well with style. So I'm going to play that back on my GoPro when I get back to the car. It wasn't so easy in the beginning, especially the first training session, but as it went on, you know, you get used to it. Drifting with a handbrake is different to what I'm used to. I had a fantastic time, and yeah, this has been a fantastic birthday gift, and hopefully I'll do it again sometime soon. That's going to wrap up today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.